Here we have an older MacBook Pro 13-inch that came in for 9 beeps. It does not turn on. It does turn on, but you hear 9 beeps. And you see it flash 9 times in the front here. Now it doesn't want to do it. Okay, on. Okay, so 3 beeps, 3 short ones, 3 long ones, and 3 short ones. That's an indication of a corrupt EFI firmware. And the board is UNI-T UTi260B. And some of you may ask, why is that person fixing this old MacBook? I don't know. You should ask him. That's the EFI chip right here. What we will do is reprogram the chip and see if that will fix the problem. Let's go ahead and remove the chip. The chip is out. And we can quickly mark pin number 1 on top here. And I got this pen from someone who sent it to us as a gift. Not just one pen, but he sent us a box and a gift note. And the note reads, I hope these help when marking ICs. I use them often and they work great. I have a small YouTube channel, Thrifty Tool Shed. You are an excellent teacher and help me a lot. Love your channel. Thank you. God bless. From Philip Johnson. Thank you very much, Philip. I really appreciate it. Philip did not only send one pen, but he sent us a box of pens. Thank you very much. And I already made use of that pen. Check out Philip's channel, Thrifty Tool Shed, and let's continue. Right now we're gonna use this adapter, 8-pin adapter, and we're gonna insert the chip. And then we're gonna connect the adapter to the programmer so we can write to the chip. The chip is right inside here. And let's connect the adapter to the programmer. All right. And let's see if we can read from the chip. I want to make sure the chip is detected. If not, then we may have to readjust the chip so it's making a good connection on all 8 pins. And let's see. We're gonna go to select and we're gonna detect the chip, and the chip was not detected. So we just have to readjust the chip. It's probably not making a good connection. And let's try again. Right there. So all I had to do was readjust the chip. I moved it a bit up and down, and I made sure that all the pins of the chip are making a good connection with the pins that are closing down on the chip. We're gonna choose the first one, select, and now we're gonna write a new firmware onto the chip. And I got it right here. And we're gonna do program. Now I came across this issue in the past where the problem was not a corrupt firmware. It was a problem with the motherboard. But we'll see. We're gonna try out a new firmware first and we'll see. All right, programming successful. Now we're gonna disconnect the adapter and remove the chip, solder it back on the board and hope for the best. We're gonna solder that chip dry. No flux, no leaded solder, and just unleaded. Why? No reason. I just want to try something different. Back like factory. Let's see. Are we gonna hear 9 beeps or will it work? Fan is on. Done. The job is done. We have a hard drive, so it's gonna take a minute to boot up. And right there. Right there. I did not want to show the picture, but right there. That's it. The job is done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll do something else in the next video.